Changing your primary email on Ivacy VPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your Ivacy account. Visit the Ivacy VPN website and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate email settings. In the account settings, look for the option related to email or contact information. This section allows you to manage your email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure the email is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, click on the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary email on Ivacy VPN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ivacy's customer support for assistance.